was the night before Christmas. I was closing down for business in my little prison shop, when the bell on the door jingled once more, and then time almost came to a stop. But somehow I knew.
Hey y'all, welcome to Simple Living. Today I'm gonna make pumpkin donuts. They are so good. You're gonna wanna add them to your holiday menu. They are sprinkled with cinnamon sugar after they cool off, and they are the best. So if this is something that might interest you, let's get cooking in the kitchen. Okay, we are going to add 1.5 cups of pumpkin puree, not the pie, just the pumpkin puree. You can make your own too. Just cut a pumpkin in half, get the seeds out, stick it in the oven for about 40 minutes. I think about 350. And then we're gonna add 4 large eggs. This could not be any more simpler. I'm gonna do 1/4 cup of melted coconut oil. And then we're going to add 1.5 cups of regular sugar. One and a half teaspoons of baking powder. And then we're going to add 1.5 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice. And some nutmeg, freshly ground nutmeg. Then you're going to also add a teaspoon of cinnamon. And grinding this nutmeg takes a minute. You can use the nutmeg that's already grounded, but I will say this has the best flavor right here. I always use fresh ground nutmeg. And then here we go with our cinnamon. 1 teaspoon. Well, I put 1.5 teaspoons. That's okay. It turned out great, so do you see that? 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And then you're gonna want to stir this well till it's all combined. I like to break the yolks and then give it a whirl and just get it all combined together. And once it's all combined, then we're gonna add our flour mixture to it. But yeah, just give it a good one. Then we're gonna add in 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch or tapioca starch. And then yeah, you add all that together and then you add it to your wet ingredients. So add your dry ingredients to your wet ingredients. And then give it a good stir. I don't feel like you can over whip this batter because you want to pour a little bit, stir, pour a little bit, stir. But if you could have over whipped this batter, I would have done it. So I really got it incorporated pretty good.
my son. From this Christmas on, it's gonna be you and me decorating the tree.
Okay, y'all, I've got this pumpkin cinnamon sugared donut all ready to try it for you. I know it's going to be delicious. Wow. I don't even want my husband to taste it. Let me tell you why. Because this is going to be his new favorite. He's going to want me to make it all the time. And I can't eat these donuts all the time. All right. Hey, I just wanted to thank y'all for stopping by Simple Living. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and do it. Give us a thumbs up if you like it. Hit that bell if you want to know when I'm making my next video. And try these pumpkin donuts with a cinnamon sugar, not glaze, but powder on them. They are fantastic. You will not regret it. All right. See you when I see you next time.
It's gonna be you and me decorating the tree from this Christmas on. From this Christmas on. We talk for hours on end, and somehow we knew that we'd found something true, and that everything would change from now on. Yes, from this Christmas on. From this Christmas It was the night before Christmas. I was closing down for business in my little present shop. When the bell on the door jingled once more, and then time almost came to a stop. But somehow I knew, and maybe so did you, that everything would change from now on. Yes, from this Christmas on, this Christmas on, from this Christmas on, it's gonna be you and me decorating the tree from this Christmas on. We forgot what you came for, and in the coffee shop just next door, we talked for hours on end. And somehow we knew that we'd found something true, and that everything would change from now on. Yes, from this Christmas on, this Christmas on, from this Christmas on, it's gonna be you and me decorating the tree from this Christmas on. From this